guys!
Hello!
Welcome back to our channel. As you can see, today we have a bit of a different video.
Yes, so today we are going to show you how we packed for Thailand.
So we're almost leaving for Thailand, which is very exciting, and the packing situation was quite a challenge because we only taken the carry-on, which is fine, is good, but we're going for 18 days, so we had to really think about like being minimalistic packing, and I think we did a pretty good job, but you will see. Basically, I will share what I packed in my backpack, and then Sergio will share what's packed in his backpack. And I thought this was a good idea to show you what you able to fit in a 40-litre backpack, because when we did our research we couldn't find many videos, especially with this backpack in specific. So we thought it would be good to bring it here for our YouTube channel. So
first off, Laura will show you how she packed her bag, so I will leave you guys.
So we both got the same backpack. It's the Decathlon 40-litre backpack from Forclaz, I think is the name of the brand. But basically it was the cheapest option in terms of like quality for what you get for the price. Is the best option we found. So I decided to go for like the burgundy color, and Sergio chose the simple black one. You'll see. So this backpack has some good compartments. As you can see, there's like space for water or anything we want to put here, and then on this side you have this zip like vertically, and you can here I decided to put some masks, which we may need in Thailand still because there's still some restrictions, and then some like medicines, especially like my allergy tablets in case I feel bad there with lots of allergies. Hopefully not. And yeah, so this is what I decided to put here. I may add some more things in it later, maybe not. And then one thing we liked about this bag is that it has a lot of support. So it seems to be very comfortable. We'll see at the end of the trip. But yeah, it has like very, these have like lots of support here. And then the good thing is like, there's also the lower one, which adds extra support and makes the bag feel less heavy as well. And there's another small pocket here where you can put like your phone, your passport, whatever you want to really, which it will be easily accessible. So let's see what's inside my bag. So in this small pocket here, you have the rain cover that comes with the backpack, which is pretty good because it seems like it can rain in Thailand while we're there. And then I also added this small like bag, you know, like those small shopping bags, foldable shopping bags, in case we need it for something. It's always a good thing to have, and it doesn't take much space. So that's what I have in this compartment. And then the inside bit you also have, which will be safer to put anything. I didn't put anything here yet. I'm not sure what I will put here. We'll see if I need it or not, but it's just good to know that there's an extra pocket here in the inside of the bag. And then good thing as well about this bag is that you can open it from the top if you want to have easy reach, something that is just at the top of your bag, which is not the case. So I'm going to close this one, and then the main bit of the bag will be here on this big zip. So the best way to open the backpack will be with the front down, because basically you'll see when I open this zip, all my stuff will be at the front end. So there's an extra compartment here, as you can see, for laptop, which we're not going to take, so I'm not going to use it. Maybe if something else fits here I will use it, but not for now. And then I have packed all in packing cubes. This is the first time I'm doing this, but I did realize it does help a lot with the packing. It makes it much more compressed. So I think that's why I could fit as much as I did. So there's this extra compartment here, as you can see, which I decided to put some bags that we may need to put dirty clothes and shoes, and my extra shoes. So I'm gonna take trainers on the trip, but I have my Birkenstock Arizona sandals, which are very comfortable, and it's probably what I'm gonna wear the most, really. And they're waterproof, which is great. They're like my favorite color. So excited to wear these again. Been a while. And then I have my other sandals, which are like Avellanas, simple black sandals, which are very comfortable as well. So I will use probably most of the time these two. And then as I said, I packed everything on packing cubes. So let's start with the smaller packing cube, where I have all my bikinis, which are about like 7, and my pajama. Then on this medium one, I have my Levis shorts, like a pair of lighter shorts, sports shorts, sports bra, about 5 tops and 2 hair bandanas. And then on the big packing cube, which I didn't fill up completely, I mean it's quite loose still. So I have 6 dresses, I have 2 play suits, about 5 tops and 1 midi skirt. So as you can see, quite a lot that I could fit in here. And it all goes nicely in the packing cubes, which is not like if you need one thing, you can just get the packing cube you know it's in and just open that, instead of like having to deal with everything and then making a big mess. So yeah, using packing cubes, I did see lots of people recommending it when backpacking, and I really think it works. It does help a lot with the packing process for sure. And then on this smaller bag, I have a towel, you know, the typical Decathlon ones, which fold very nicely, and I have 4 pairs of socks, just in case if you go like hiking or anything like that, when I use my trainers, and about 9 panties, 1 bra, and that's it. So I'm also going to show you the outfit we're taking to the airport, but I'll show you later after Sergio shows what's in his backpack.
Hello, so now it's my turn to show you what's in my Forclaz 40L backpack. So Laura's already shown you all the little pockets on the side, all the little features that the bag has. So I'll start by opening up the top compartment here. And in the top we have a first aid kit, which is pretty important to take anywhere on any holiday you kind of go on. Usually we don't take on Europe trips, but seeing this is outside of Europe, it's kind of best to be on the safe side. And in here as well we have a 10-litre little foldable backpack. So this will be good if we go on day trips that we don't want to take any of the other big bags, and we just want to take a small bag. Probably good if we want to go kayaking or something, anything. Here I also have my inflatable travel pillow, which is very useful. And in here I also have the same waterproof case for the bag. And on the inside is the zip, and I have a little shampoo bar, which will be very useful just in case the hotels don't provide one, or just in case. So yeah, it's a good little pocket. Now I'm going to open the bag. So as Laura mentioned, it's best to face it front down, and when we open it, so this is the inside. In mine I actually have some sandals on the side. This is because these sandals are actually quite bulky and they don't fit in the shoe compartment here. But in the shoe compartment here I have some flip-flops, which don't really need to show much more. Here I have my laundry bag, and in here I have 9 pairs of boxers and 4 pairs of socks. Probably won't need many socks. So. And now for the smaller packing cubes. In this one I have, let me just check, I have 2 shorts and some pyjamas. So these are just 2, might as well open, sorry, so you can see. Just have 2 pairs of shorts rolled up and some pyjama shorts and pyjama top. And in the next one I have 5 swim shorts and a foldable towel that's very lightweight and it's very easy to roll up. Can't believe how much stuff we've actually packed in here. And under all of them we have the bigger packing cube. So in here I have 9 t-shirts and 1 sports t-shirt and shorts, and fits quite nicely. I reckon you could pack it even more. Under the biggest of the packing cubes we have a big beach towel. and this thing is actually huge and doesn't actually take up a lot of space. So it fits nicely in the bag. So now you know what's in my bag, and let us know if you think that's quite a lot, or whether you think that this bag isn't very big. In my opinion, this is the biggest bag I own, so to me this is a lot of stuff. So now I will welcome Laura back and we'll go through the smaller of our backpacks.
So that was both mine and Sergio's 40-liter backpacks from Decathlon, the Forclaz ones. As you saw, we could fit a lot of stuff in it, but also we still have a bit of space, so it's not like completely packed. And that's how we want it to be, because we want to, if we want to buy something there in Thailand, then at least we have space to bring it back. So now we're going to show you what we're going to wear for a 12-hour trip. So we're taking trousers. As you saw, we didn't pack any trousers, but we only taking these in case, like, you know, we go in the temple where you need to cover ourselves, as we hit in some places they ask you to cover your knees or something like that. So I'm taking these like light summer trousers, a t-shirt, this jacket. I don't think I'm going to use this. Probably I'm just going to use it in the UK until I go to the airport. And maybe, I hear it's good as well, like when we're doing trips like night buses or on the ferries, if it gets a bit, you know, with the aircon it's too strong. So I guess it's good to have a light jacket as well. And as I said, also taking trainers. So these are my New Balance, which I'm taking during the trip.
Okay.
And my cap as well. And I will take as well this small bag, which is the safest option I think to travel with, and I can put my passport here, like small things, some money, yeah, the important stuff. And I also took it to Milan recently, so it was quite useful, yeah. And then Sergio is also going to show you what he's going to wear during a 12-hour trip to Thailand.
So where do we start? So as Laura's mentioned, we need some trousers. So we've got these very lightweight trousers that I will be wearing. I haven't actually worn them yet, so I've tried them on and they are very comfortable.
And light as well.
And light. And then I am just going to wear this nice shirt.
Summer shirt.
Summer shirt.
Short
On the flight as well. And with basically a very light summer kind of jacket on. And hopefully we won't freeze from here to the airport, because it's cold here but it's warm over there. Okay,
I'm sure it'll be fine.
So I think that's it, and I'm gonna, like Laura, I'm also gonna bring my New Balances. This is not an advert, we just like New Balance.
They're very comfortable.
And I will also bring my cap. I don't know if I wear these, but it's very funny.
He always likes to show off his hair, and he's very like careful with his hair, so he doesn't like wearing caps. But if it's gonna be extremely hot, it's good to have a cap just in case.
It's pretty short now. It's not gonna matter anyway, is it? Look how cool I look. Hey. Okay, so let's get on with the bags, the smaller bags.
Now for smaller backpacks. Well, I'm also taking my travel pillow, but mine is not inflatable, so it's gonna take some space. But I think I'm just gonna hang it here somewhere.
Carry it with you.
Yeah, it's gonna be fine. I mean, 12-hour flight. We're leaving the evening as well, so we're hoping to sleep in the airplane. We never did. Both of us never did such a long flight, so it's gonna be a first experience. But hopefully we're able to sleep and we have some comfort with these pillows. And now this is the other backpack I'm gonna take on my front. So I'm hoping to go like this, which is gonna look pretty big. I normally traveled before with this. I already traveled before with this for like Ryanair as like the only bag, you know, the free option. So I think it's gonna be fine in terms of size and stuff. But I'm not gonna show you what's inside because it's just like my makeup, my face products, chargers, you know, all the small little things. All the small little things. Yeah. I can't think of
anything that will
AirPods, book, a book to read, and
all the non-clothed items.
And then the most exciting backpack, Sergio's going to show you.
Yes, so this one we actually bought it deliberately for this trip. This is a Mosiso backpack, and it's a camera backpack.
We bought it on Amazon, pretty good price. We already saw that the price went up, but we got it like in a bit cheaper, £38 I think.
The main features from this bag is that, I mean, it's colour, which is quite interesting because we don't have anything really this colour.
No, they had other colour options, but we thought this one was pretty.
I think it's quite stylish. So the main feature is this hard shell front, which is quite useful then to stop anything bashing into your equipment, and you've got some protection there.
It's also waterproof.
And it's also completely waterproof. Sides, it says it's waterproof. We will see.
Yes.
I think we're going to take a case.
Hopefully it is.
We're going to take a cover anyway, just to be safe, because in here we're going to show you what we have. I mean, first off, shall I show you? I'll show you. It's got small little pockets on the side. Space for a water bottle.
And here you can also put the tripod, which we can't show you because we're actually using it right now.
Exactly.
But you can put the tripod here apparently, and like hold it here. So that's what we're gonna do.
Exactly. And it's got a little anti-theft pocket on the side. So if you have important things on the, so at the back, sorry. And so if you want important things to be very close to you, so if you're scared that someone's
the bag also seems quite comfortable. It has a lot of support.
And it has to have lots of padding because of
lots of padding as well. Yeah, and these also help with if the bag is heavy.
Yeah. So inside, we wanted to get a bag to basically put all our toys in. We spent
a bit of money recently.
Yeah. So obviously we have space for the camera that we're actually filming this on.
Yeah, so you can't really see it with the camera, but there's a space for the camera basically.
Yeah, on the top here we have the little case, GoPro case.
Yeah.
So basically we have all the GoPro in there and all the little attachments and equipment. In the middle we have the new addition to the family, which is the
most exciting.
the G Mini 2 drone. And here we have the remote control and the spare batteries. What's not in here is all the cables and stuff because we've got all our stuff charging at the moment.
Yes.
So they will be later on.
And then we also have the SD cards, and then you also have like these little, can you turn it so you can see this side? There's some zips here where we can put like little, SD cards,
spare batteries for the
spare batteries, any cables that don't fit here.
And then
but it's a pretty good bag.
Yeah.
Good value for money.
Even fits a little gorilla.
Yeah, we have this little tripod as well, which we may use or may not, we'll see.
So it's pretty big, and that's what we wanted. Let's hope it goes through. Then they'll let it through.
Yeah, because it's quite tall, but I think it will be fine. We'll give you some feedback after. We will check on our Instagram. We're probably going to share there if you had any issues with the size of our bags. So we hope you found this video useful, and especially if, like us, you're looking for a 40-litre backpack. We hope this helped you make a decision if you would like to go for the one we got, because we were very we didn't have much information about this Forclaz 40-litre backpack from Decathlon. We couldn't find any videos where they would show you like exactly how much it could be packed in this backpack. So we hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of our adventures, and leave a comment if you think we could pack more or if we already packed a lot. Yes. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Bye!